For our self-forward index path, what we are going to do here on top, I'm going to have a variable user, which is going to be type of f_user. Then we are going to assign this variable dynamically, depending if our user is searching or not. But what I'm going to do now, because we have this cell, generate cell, and here we are passing our user, I'm going to pass this user here. Okay, so our generate cell function is set right. So now we need to set this user dynamically. Okay, we need to check if our user is searching. So let's copy this code here, paste it, have an else statement here. Okay, so in case if our user is searching, we want to access our our filtered users. So we say user is equals to filtered users, and then we access the index path dot row. Else, if our user is not in search mode, we are going to again get our section title, which I'm going to actually, alright, let's type it. Let section title is equals to self.section title list, and we are going to say index path dot row. So this way we get our section title, and now we need to get all the users from that section title. Exactly the same thing we did here. So we say let users equals all users group, and then we access our section title, and our user will be equals these users, and then we say index path dot row. Okay, so this way we set our user as well. I just had to unwrap this because it's an optional here. Okay, so let's run our application and see if our search is working. Right now there is something wrong here, because if I don't have anything and I just click around here, we don't see any users. Okay, so if even I say, let's see, when I'm searching, it's actually returns something. So there is something wrong with our search, and you may have guessed it. Number of sections in the row is set to 1 only when we have we are searching. So in case we are not searching, the number of section is set to all users group count, and actually this is an empty object, empty array here. So number of sections is set to 0, and that's why we cannot display anything. So what we are going to do in next lecture is to actually divide our users into groups, so we can clearly see what's going on there.